Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be installing crash bars on my Honda CB500X to prep it for an upcoming trip. If you're thinking about adding extra protection to your bike, stick around. This will be a step-by-step guide to help you out. First, I'm installing the rubber cushion collar and the metal flange collar into the crash bar on both sides. Next, I'll remove the two flange bolts located behind the headlight. Now, grab the front light bar bracket and use the two new flange bolts to install it. Pay close attention to the orientation when mounting, and for now, just hand tighten the bolts. Moving on to the right side of the bike, I'll unscrew the middle engine mounting bolt and install the right hand side bar bracket, reusing the same flange bolt and spacer. Make sure to use the correct bracket and avoid over tightening, since we'll need to make adjustments later. Repeat the same process on the left side. Now, we can loosely install the crash bars using the provided short flange bolts and washers. Remember, the washer goes on with the bolt. Do this for both sides. Once that's done, use the long flange bolt to attach the bar to the front bracket. The manual doesn't specify the tightening sequence, so here's what I did. I started by tightening the engine mounting bolts first, using a torque wrench set to 60 Newton meters. Then I secured the two front bracket bolts to 27 Newton meters. Once the crash bars were properly positioned, I tightened the side bolts to 27 Newton meters as well. Finally, I tightened the last attachment point at the front, again to 27 Newton meters. With everything torqued down, the crash bars should now be securely attached to the frame. To finish off, install the end caps. And that's it, the crash bars are installed and ready for the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay tuned for my upcoming trip videos. Once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.